Welcome back to Math 109 Plain Trigonometry. In this video, we continue our series of solving trigonometric equations using different methods. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the problem tangent of x plus the square root of 3 is equal to the secant of x. Now, it would be nice if we could rewrite everything in terms of one function or the other, and we have the identity 1 plus tangent squared is equal to secant squared. So we can actually get to that point by going ahead and squaring both sides of this equation. Now, you do have to be careful because squaring a number is a function or operation that you can't exactly undo. So when we get a solution to this equation, we are going to have to plug it back in to check. So squaring both sides, I get tangent squared of x plus 2 square root of 3 tangent of x plus 3 is equal to secant squared of x. So now is where we're going to apply the identity that secant squared of x is equal to 1 plus the tangent squared of x. So we get tangent squared of x plus 2 square root of 3 tangent of x plus 3 is equal to 1 plus the tangent squared of x. So first I'll subtract tangent squared of x from both sides. Leaves me with 2 square root of 3 tangent of x plus 3 equals 1. So I can subtract 3 from both sides. Two square root of 3 tangent of x is equal to negative 2. I'll go ahead and divide by 2 times the square root of 3. So I'll go ahead and put it down for now as negative 2 over 2 times the square root of 3. And then doing a little bit of algebra with that, I get that the tangent of x is equal to negative 1 over the square root of 3, or negative square root of 3 over 3. So if we go back to our exact trig function values, we know that if tangent is negative, it has to be in the second and fourth quadrant. We know our reference angle has to be 30 degrees. So possible solutions for x are 150 degrees or 330 degrees. But with either of those, we have to plug them into our original equation, which, just to refresh your memory as to what that was tangent of x plus the square root of 3 is equal to the secant of x. And of course, we know that the tangent of x is negative square root of 3 over 3. So it turns out that the left-hand side, regardless of which value of x I use, is going to be a positive number. Well, the secant is not positive in the second quadrant. So it turns out that 150 degrees will not be a valid solution. 330 will. You can verify this yourself by plugging the numbers into the original equation and checking it. So we'll have one more video on this series of solving trigonometric equations.